Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for OSCE exam step by step. Start by mapping all station types and identifying your weakest areas, then schedule focus sessions for skills, communication, and time management. Practice with a partner or recorded self-assessments, using checklists and timers to simulate exam pressure. Review common scenarios weekly and track improvement with simple metrics to stay motivated and organized throughout your preparation. Create realistic practice sessions that mirror exam conditions and include timed stations and standardized patient interactions. Rotate through different case types to avoid overfitting to one scenario and focus on clarity in communication and efficient physical exam techniques. Use checklists and recordings to refine each step, then prioritize repeating tasks you perform less confidently until they become automatic and reliable under pressure. In this video, I will explain how to study for OSCE exam step by step. Quick pause. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe and like to support more free study guidance. Quick recommendation: books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes reading clinical guides on the go much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gather a small set of high-yield resources and create visual aids that simplify complex exams into clear steps and red flag prompts. Use spaced repetition for facts and mnemonics, and pair practice with targeted feedback from peers or instructors. Regularly update your checklists based on feedback and reflect after each practice to convert mistakes into learning points that stick for exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.